Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Melinda Brooke. I'm so happy you're here. If you want, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to come join my big, crazy family. But today, I'm excited because I'm giving you guys the video you didn't know you needed, but you do. And what is that? It is the Black Friday survival guide. I was like, what should I do for this video? I really have no idea. I'm so busy right now, but I want to bring you guys something that's actually going to be useful. And what better than a Black Friday survival kit? Black Friday is literally this Friday, so we need to start gearing up because this is war for some people. So I'm going to be giving you tips, tricks, advice on what to wear, why you should wear it, what kind of bag to use, what time to start shopping, where to start shopping, that and so much more. So if you guys want to find out what my Black Friday survival guide is, then make sure to keep on watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below to come join my big crazy family. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and let me know what you're looking forward to buying this Black Friday down in the comments below. But I'm so excited, so let's cue the intro music and get into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by saying outfits are so important when it comes to Black Friday. Why? Because there are so many people out there that want to be able to move and get around and be super comfortable because, let's be honest, it's super late at night when we're shopping on Black Friday, but they still want to look cute because, let's be honest, you never know who you're going to meet. Am I right? So, there needs to be like a balance of a cute, comfortable, cozy outfit that you can wear, that you can walk around in and shop for hours but still look cute. So if you guys want some ideas on how you can do that, make sure to tune into my channel tomorrow because I'm going to be releasing my Fashion Friday video this week early because I want to give you guys some Black Friday outfit ideas. So if you want to get a bunch of ideas, make sure to tune in tomorrow. If you want, hit the little bell by the subscribe button so that you can get notified when that video is up. But tip number 2. I'm sorry people, but this is not the time to be bringing out the biggest bag you own and like walking around with this huge bag. Like, I ain't gonna be walking around with this on my shoulder. You wanna know why? Because this gets in your way, okay? I can't shop if I'm too busy, one, carrying a big bag, having my shoulder hurt, having to worry about someone taking something from my bag or taking my bag or it falling. You know, we have to be safe on Black Friday because there's a lot of people out, and that's a lot of times when people tend to rob you or something like that. So you want to make sure that you're being safe, and I think a big bag just kind of doesn't help you with that. I know that there's a lot of stuff you want to bring with you, and I'm going to touch on some of the things I think are essential when you go Black Friday shopping that you should bring in your bag, but you don't need a lot of space for it. I do recommend a crossbody bag. This one I like because it's actually a decent size. I can fit pretty much everything I need in here, actually everything I need in here and maybe even then some, and I am going to show you guys what it looks like on me. What I like to do is I like to make the strap kind of small, and then I like to make it so that it sits right in front of me. I always know where it is. I don't have to worry about anybody reaching behind, unzipping it, nothing. I can make sure no one's touching it. I have my eye on it at all times. If you find that you don't want to wear a crossbody bag, you can also go with a small shoulder bag. Just because these you can literally just tuck under your arm, do what you want. For some people, it's actually more comfortable, so I do recommend one of these if you don't have a crossbody bag or don't want to use one. Another bag idea is wearing a belt bag, or you can wear a fanny pack bag across your body. Let me get mine and show you guys what I'm talking about in case you don't know. So as you can see, this is just the only fanny pack bag I own. Right now it's this like Nike black one, but as you can see I'm wearing it across my body, which means no one's gonna take it. They can't just like take it from me. I can keep all my important stuff in here so that I'm not worried about anybody taking anything. This one's actually kind of big, so I actually can fit a water bottle in here. But this is actually pretty good for when it comes to another bag option. So my third tip in this survival guide is that it kind of goes hand in hand with purses. It comes to like wallets. You never know, I'm not gonna lie, like it stinks, but you have to be careful all the time now. You never know what's gonna happen. So I just think it's like better to have something smaller that just has everything I need. In my case, I have my like Louis Vuitton little pouch, and it's just nice because it holds what I need and then nothing more. So I'm taking my license, the credit card if I have credit card I want to use, or gift cards in here, and then cash I want to use as well. If you are bringing a lot of cash with you, which is something I actually don't recommend just because it's never safe to carry that much cash on you, but if you are one of those people and you need one of these, then go ahead, use this. But I would recommend actually bringing more, like putting your money in your credit card or your debit card and just bringing your card so that you can have something smaller. You don't have to worry about getting anything taken away, losing any money, having money stolen from your wallet or purse, none of that. Also, this one comes with a little latch. So what I like to do, I'll show you on my bag, is I will actually, when I stick my wallet in, I will actually take the clamp and stick it through the hole and then lock it into place so that even if someone did try to take it, I'm gonna feel it, so nothing's gonna happen. And this is just like an extra precaution on how you can make sure that you're being safe, nothing's gonna be taken from you, and like everything's secure. Tip number 4, what you should actually bring in your bag with you so that you can survive. So the first thing is clearly water. You can bring a water bottle. I recommend bringing at least 1 or 2 water bottles just because lines are going to be so long and you don't want to get dehydrated. So I personally just always bring a water bottle with me everywhere I go. Really important. Bring water. Number 2, I always recommend having something to eat in your bag, something that's relatively healthy. So definitely a granola bar, maybe like fruit snacks or animal crackers, just in case you get a little hungry, because lines again are super long. If you are sick or have like any kind of medication you want to bring, definitely bring that. I always recommend bringing something like Motrin or Advil or ibuprofen, whatever you prefer. I know for me, I suffer from migraines, so I always have my migraine medicine on me as well. You want to make sure that you have all of that stuff just in case, God forbid, you do get a migraine or something like that. You can just pop your medicine, make sure you're good. I also always bring my inhaler. I have asthma. I don't even use this. I only use it when I work out, and I still bring it with me everywhere because you never know when you're gonna need it. I always also recommend bringing a pack of wipes or hand sanitizer, whichever one you prefer. I prefer the wipes. These are just nice because you don't want to get sick. There's gonna be so many germs, so I'm just like, anytime my hands feel dirty, I pull out a wipey, or anytime I want to like wipe down a shopping cart or wipe down literally anything, just I always use one of these, especially when I'm done shopping. Also, tissues. Come on guys, it's literally the season of tissues. Is that not what it's called? Because I don't know about you, but my nose is always running. So I'm always going to have tissues, plus they're great napkins. God forbid you need a napkin, you have one with you. So another thing I always recommend is having chapstick. I have a chapstick, I think, in all of my bags and every single one of my jacket pockets, just because my lips are always chapped. Don't you just hate when your lips get chapped, or is it just me? Like, I can't do it. Another thing that I recommend like having in your bag that might seem weird, this one, is dental floss, or like floss tips or whatever they're called. I have a little pack like this, and as you can see, they just are inside. I find that it comes in handy a lot. Like, you don't expect it to, but it does. So, in case anybody wants to do that. For me, I always keep deodorant and like a little body spray or body mist in my purse as well, just in case I need it, because your girl ain't trying to stink. Something I always keep with me, literally just anywhere, is my pocket knife, except when it comes to like Black Friday shopping. Keeping a pocket knife with you is actually, it can be very dangerous, especially some people might be freaked out if they see it or something like that, and you can get in trouble. But I recommend keeping pepper spray with you, just because you have to be very wary of what's going on around you, especially when you're walking in the parking lot, or to your car, literally anywhere by yourself, like even to the bathrooms. I know someone who's personally had a scare when it came to the bathroom, and like the bathroom at a mall. So like you want to make sure that you're being protected. Now, I know I said a lot of things that to keep like in your bag, but I am going to show you how it all fits in all 3 of the bags that I recommended you guys could use, just so that you guys can see that it all fits.
My first bag, I have my perfume, inhaler,
so clearly everything fit in here, and there's still some room left. So actually everything but my water bottle fit in here, and if I wanted to I could just walk around with my water bottle, but I also probably wouldn't walk around with my deodorant. But as you can see, everything fit in my shoulder bag, so that's actually pretty good. And then everything fit in here as well. So besides the water bottle and the deodorant I didn't bring also. So that's just like the things I find essential. Also, I always keep extra ponytails on my wrist, and that is because I think that you should have your hair pulled back in some way, shape, or form. That takes me to 4. Your hair should be out of your face, out of your way, just because you're going to be moving a lot and like having to deal with your hair, even when it comes to like putting your bag on or putting it around, having to take it out of your sweatshirt, or when you try on clothes. It's so much easier if your hair is pulled out of your way, whether that's in a ponytail, in pigtails, pushed back in braids, whatever it is. I would just recommend getting it out of your face. So when it comes to the actual shopping itself, I do recommend that if you have any shopping outlets around you, to go to them. I know there's one about an hour and a half from me, and my mom and I will still drive down there to go. Not only are they outlet stores, but they also have sales on top of that, so you're going to be getting even more discounts than you normally would be getting at an outlet store. So I recommend going to outlet stores if you can. I would check online to make sure there's no extra coupons that could be used in case that could be used in stores on Black Friday, because if there are, take those with you, use those. You can always save money. Cyber Monday is huge, guys, so don't be scared to like stay at home and shop on Cyber Monday. What I like to do is I like to go to the stores that I might want to buy something at and just start filling my cart with things I know I want, or gifts I know I want to get for people. And then on Cyber Monday, I will go back onto those sites, into my cart, and see what's on sale now, what's not on sale, and I'll pick and choose maybe what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. Another tip that I have for shopping online is that remember that everyone around the world doesn't have the same seasons as you. So I recommend going to stores from other countries that have opposite seasons of you and looking onto their websites. For example, Australia is in summertime right now, but we are here in the United States are in wintertime. So a great tip, this is just in general for shopping online to save money, is I will go onto Australian websites and look at their sale stuff, because what they have on sale is winter clothes, because they are now selling summer clothes. So for me, it's great because what they're trying to sell and they have discounts on is actually for my season, because they're out of season. Do you understand what I'm saying? So if they have the opposite season of you, then they're gonna have your season's clothes on sale. So those are all the tips that I have for this Black Friday survival guide. I really hope you guys got some useful information. If you want, hit that subscribe button down below to come join my big crazy family, and like I mentioned, hit that bell next to the subscribe button if you want to be notified about my Black Friday outfit video that will be coming out tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving. Make sure you eat a lot of food. I know I will be, and I hope you guys have a great holiday with your family and friends and a great Black Friday. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot, we came from nothing to something, nigga, I don't try nobody.